Featherweight Championships have started then, so it's all about who's lowest to the floor so who can get out. And the pit's been activated there. You need to make sure they get off the pit. Slowly bring them over there. Little flipper. It's very effective actually. It means it never runs out of power. But you can see the power of explosion there. Very powerful machine. And they'll be trying to get their opponents out of the arena. That will be the crucial step. It's all about trying to get under their opponents. Oh, and they've got a little flipper. I think can't do a fat lot about that, but who was out first? It's down to the judges. They're timing the machines, and when they're happy, the countdown will commence. So a victory back from the explosion as he chucks himself into the pit. Little flip helping them back out. And I think that must be it then. Very well.